It is Memorial Day Monday, 2023. I am in the coal town, the abandoned coal town of Rexus. Vintondale is right behind me. And I am here to get photos and kind of show you around of the Cambria and Indiana coal car. I think it's the best looking, I'd say preserved uh, coal car left from the Cambria and Indiana Railroad, which was a logging railroad turned coal, and it started in 1900, I think, if I remember right. And then Bethlehem Steel took them over, so they were part of the Bethlehem Steel railroads, and they ended on April, oh, I know it becomes Easter every few years, but April of 1996, I think. Yeah, so 96 years or so. I will have to put that in the description of the whole information, because it's been a while since I looked around about the Cambria and Indiana since I moved away from the area. But I'm going to do a video here and show you the coal car. I haven't been here in a few years, so this is really cool. So, like I said, Vintondale is over there, and this is the abandoned town of Rexus. This whole area, like where all these cars are, this would have been the town of Rexus. R-E-X-I-S. But when you come up to the parking spot, let me see if I can turn it, because I got my one hand on this. Oh, they're showing the Belsano thing. That was originally supposed to be the county seat, but yeah, that fell through and it became Evansburg for Cambria County. Westmoreland Heritage Trail. Let's see. Okay. Yep, so Vintondale, Rexus, we're right here. And then, yeah, Path of the Flood Trail. That's going to be the next spot we're going to. Okay, yeah, oh, Apollo. There's the coal car. Yeah, Cambria and Indiana. Right here, early stuff. And then they actually had, is this? Yeah, battery powered car. A Brill car. So, we're going to go check out the coal car. Oops, without tripping. Hi, Mike. You coming? I actually brought my Cambria and Indiana jacket. I left it in the car, and just in case I came out here. I got my jacket, and I have a hat that matches it. I got it at the Altoona train show quite a few years ago. I think I've had this jacket at least 10 years. No, maybe 8, yeah, we'll go 8. I heard a dude had it, and it was mine. And it fits. Yeah, definitely had to take that thing. So from here going that way is the Cambria and Indiana. But if you go that way, that would have been, I think Baltimore, Ohio, or Penn Central, because B&O came up here just like they came up here for something, but I don't remember how they came out here. That'll take you back to 22. Back this up. We zoomed in too far. Rexus, Cambria and Indiana Railroad, named for George Rex, a Philadelphia investor on the Cambria Land Company. Half of Rexus was built by Blair Schaefer, owner of a local planing mill, and the other half by Vinton Lumber Company, one of the largest lumber mills in the U.S. in 1899. The VLC tramroad ran on along the North Branch of Blacklet Creek and became the Black Creek and Yellow Creek Railroad in 1904. Where does it say? Yeah, Coleman and Weaver, Culver, Revlock. So Cole and Ver, they just made 2 towns with their names. I'm trying to see the C&I right there, connected with the Penn C at Rexus and the New York Central at Manver. Passenger service was provided to Nanticoke and Culver until 1931. In 1950, the C&I became part of the Bethlehem Steel family of railroads. The C&I Railroad ended operations on the branch After a devastating flood in 1977. The Ghost Town Trail was established, the former railroad, in 1994. Oh, Mike's messing with the knuckle. I have a bird nest. There she be. Not much different on this side because the sun's on the other side.
It's a knuckle lock.
Huh?
It's a knuckle lock.
Ah. Yeah, that goes toward 422. I think that goes toward Ebbsburg, actually. That's what I meant. And that's pretty much my little short video. Came out to see this butte.